Good day, everyone. This time, I will show you how to graph the quadratic function in vertex form. Let us have one example. Draw the graph of the quadratic function y is equal to x minus 1 squared plus 2. There are only 5 simple steps to follow. Step 1. Find the vertex and the line of symmetry. Take note that if the quadratic function is written in the vertex form, the vertex can be obtained by using the coordinates hk, and the line of symmetry is the equation x is equal to h. In our example, y is equal to x minus 1 squared plus 2, h is equal to 1, and k is equal to 2. Therefore, the vertex is the coordinates 1, 2, and the line of symmetry is the equation x is equal to 1. Step 2. Plot the vertex. In our example, the vertex is the coordinates 1, 2. Step 3. On one side of the line of symmetry, let us choose one value of x and compute for the value of y. For instance, if x is equal to 2, therefore, y becomes 3. Step 4. Plot this point, which will become our point 2, and then reflect this point on the other side of the line of symmetry, and this will become our point 3. And step 5. Connect the points by a smooth curve. And this is the graph of the function y is equal to x minus 1 squared plus 2. That is how to graph the quadratic function in the vertex form. Let us have a recap on the different steps. 1. Find the vertex and the line of symmetry. 2. Plot the vertex. 3. On one side of the line of symmetry, choose at least one value of x and compute the value of y. 4. Plot this point and reflect this on the other side of the line of symmetry. And 5. Connect the points by a smooth curve. Thank you for watching.